Welcome. If you're looking to update the name of your Telegram group on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you're rebranding, refreshing your group's purpose, or just want a new look, changing your group's name is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights for the group you want to edit. Only admins can change the group name, so double-check your permissions before moving forward. Next, find the group you want to update in your chat list and click to open it. You'll see all your group conversations on the left. Just scroll through and select the right one. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll notice 3 small dots. This is your menu for extra options. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will open up the group settings page, where you can make various changes to how your group looks and operates. Now, you'll see the current group name displayed prominently. Click directly on the group name. This will allow you to edit it. Simply type in your new desired name for the group. Take your time to make sure it reflects the group's vibe or purpose. After entering the new name, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your group's new name will be updated instantly, and all members will see it right away. Changing your Telegram group name on PC is that simple. Keep your group fresh and relevant by updating its name whenever you need. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other admins who might need a quick refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly renamed Telegram group.